Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video I will show you how to install openpyxl in Python on Windows 11. Let's get started with step number 1, which is to open command prompt. To do that you need to click on the Windows icon and type cmd in the search bar. Click on command prompt. Now we are going to first check whether Python and pip are correctly installed in your system. To do that you are going to type python space -- version, hit enter, and then type pip space -- version, hit enter again. If either Python or pip or both of them do not appear after running these commands, then do not worry. I have made separate videos on how to install Python 3.14 on Windows 11 and how to install pip on Windows 11. The links to these videos are in the description box. Go check them first and then come back to this video. But if the versions of Python and pip appear after running these commands like they do over here, then you are good to go. Now to keep things clean, we are going to create a Python project folder. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So write mkdir command and after space we are going to write the name of the folder. Let's call it openpyxl_project. Hit enter. As you can see, openpyxl_project folder has been created on my desktop. Now let's go inside this folder using the cd command. Here we are going to create a virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because a virtual environment keeps your projects library separate, so one project never messes with another. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It is python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it openpyxl_venv. Hit enter. And if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. Great, no error. Now let's check the creation of virtual environment using the dir command. Okay, it exists. It has been created. We are now going to activate this virtual environment. The command to activate a virtual environment is very simple. It will be openpyxl_venv \scripts, that's with capital S, \activate. Hit enter and there you go. The virtual environment has become active. Now let's install the openpyxl library. The command will be pip install openpyxl. Hit enter and the installation has begun. And wow, it has ended. And so good to see this line successfully installed. It says openpyxl. The version that it has installed is 3.1.5. Let's verify its installation. So we will start a Python prompt by simply typing Python and hitting enter. Here we are going to import openpyxl. Now if this import is successful, that means openpyxl has been successfully installed. Hit enter and there you go. Let's print its version. So within the brackets of print, we'll write openpyxl dot _version . Hit enter and it displays 3.1.5 and it matches with the version of the openpyxl library that we just installed. Let's now come out of the Python prompt by writing exit. And finally, we are going to deactivate our virtual environment. This is a very good practice to follow. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install openpyxl in Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.